In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Replit. By the end, you'll be able to add files and folders to your project using drag and drop or the built-in upload menu quickly and confidently. Start by opening your browser and searching for Replit. When the results appear, click the correct link to the official site. A quick way to confirm you're in the right place is to look for the familiar Replit branding and the replit.com address in your browser's bar. Once you're on the home page, click Login. You'll find this at the top of the page. Next, choose how you want to sign in. You can continue with Google or use your email. Pick whichever option you normally use for your Replit account and follow the prompts until you're successfully logged in. After signing in, open the project you want to work with. From your dashboard, select the repo where these files belong. This brings you to the editor with the code area in the middle and the file tree on the left-hand side. Before you upload, take a moment to locate the file or folder on your computer. It helps to keep everything organized in a single place, especially if you're bringing in multiple assets like images, data files, or configuration files. Make sure your file names are clear and that you're only including what your project truly needs. Now, review what you're about to publish to the project. Double-check that you're not uploading anything sensitive, like private keys, local environment files, or very large assets you don't intend to store in the repo. Confirm the file types match what your project expects and that the structure makes sense. With that done, you can drag your files or folders directly into the file tree on the left. Click and hold them from your computer, hover over the file tree area, and release to drop. You'll see progress indicators as Replit uploads. When it finishes, your new files will appear immediately in the list. If you're prompted to replace an existing file, confirm only if you're sure. If you prefer not to drag and drop, there's an alternative. Hover your mouse over the file's header in the left sidebar to reveal extra controls. Click the 3 vertical dots to open the menu, then select Upload File. Choose the file from your computer and confirm. Repeat this as needed for additional files. For batches or folders, drag and drop is usually faster, while the menu option is great for precise single-file uploads. That's it. Your files are now in your Replit project and ready to use. Save your work, and you're good to continue building.